and get your protractor and this, and we're going to draw a line on this side and on this side. So if we're going to go from all the way at this corner 10 to 0, okay, don't move your protractor and come over here at 5 and go to 5 from 5 to 1 here. It's a point on the top line here at 5. Okay, this is going to be put points at 1 centimeter and then 1 at 5 centimeters. Now get your compass. Remember what we did. All right, adjust your compass so that the opening of the compass is 4 centimeters. All right, we're going to construct a 60 like we, and open that up enough, all right, past 60 enough so that when I place the point of the compass at the other point here, I want to make sure I get an intersection occurring, okay, and place a point at this compass at the intersecting arcs. Your protractor up against your pencil, line up these 2 points, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line all the way through, okay, like put the arrows on every one of these, right, because this tells you that these are lines, they keep going in all directions. Now you can label a line with one lower letter, and we label the line with lower letter T for transversal. These 2 lines, lower letter A and lower letter B. We construct at 60-degree angles, and we know that this is a 60-degree angle, okay, every time. Now, and we also know the angle adjacent to it, right? Form a linear pair, we know that, so this is 120. We've also discussed vertical angles, right, are equal. So 4 of these angles here are congruent to these 4 angles down here, 120. I'm now going to say that this 120-degree angle, I'm going to refer to it as angle 1. And I'm going to go counterclockwise like that. So number 4 will go with 60, and then we alternate over. So this is a 5, and then we'll go clockwise over here. So 5, and then 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 8 angles. Okay, every time you have a set of parallel lines and one transversal, 8 angles will appear. This line is parallel, and this is how we denote parallel. And is red. A is parallel to B, and transversal T. So it's telling you that these lines are parallel, and when you know lines are parallel cut by transversal, we're going to name angle 3, and okay, and it alternates, okay, and it crosses over, right? So so angles 3 and angle 6, all right, and they are angle 4 and angle 5. Alternate interior, okay. Underneath here, when lines are parallel, alternate, and then here's the abbreviation, alternate, and then we take the first 3 letters here, alternate, and then use those 3 letters. So alternate interior, and then our abbreviation for the word angle is angle, and then apostrophe S, so right above it. That means congruent. All right, so alternate interior angles are congruent when lines are parallel. There they are. So these angles here, 3 and 6, are equal. Angle 4 will equal angle 5. Okay,